Unit 4, Lessons 1 to 2. Orange. It's an orange. Clothes. Wear. These are clothes. We wear these clothes. Skirt. It's a skirt. Dress. It's a dress. Shoes. These are shoes. Bag. It's a bag. T-shirt. It's a t-shirt. Shorts. It's a shorts. Socks. These are socks. Trousers. It's a trousers. The girl is wearing a blue dress. The girl is wearing a green skirt and red shirt. The doll is wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue skirt. It's a red trousers. It's a yellow t-shirt. It's a yellow skirt. It's a green t-shirt. It's a green dress. It's a blue shorts. It's a green t-shirt. These are blue socks. And it's a red t-shirt. Now what is he wearing? He is wearing a t-shirt and shorts. What is he and she are wearing? She is wearing a pink dress and pink shoes. He is wearing a green t-shirt and blue pants and blue shoes. Unit 4, Lessons 3 to 4. Number 13. It's number 13. Number 14. It's number 14. Bigger. The lion is bigger than the ant. The elephant is bigger than the mouse. Smaller. The mouse is smaller than the elephant. The ant is smaller than the lion. Shop. It's a shop. Which is big? Which is bigger? The green sock is big, but the blue sock is bigger. The green shirt is smaller. The blue t-shirt is bigger. The red ball is bigger. The green ball is smaller. Now let's try to buy in a shop. You tell me, what do you want to buy? I want to buy the smaller or bigger. For example, I want to buy the bigger yellow shorts or the smaller red shorts.